Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayenshola Ogundele. Lunar Smart City concepts, plans, projects, and developments for transforming Moon into a technological hub and self-sustaining industrialization. The Lunar Smart City concept, which represents a major shift from Mars temporary exploration to permanent self-sustaining industrialization, is being driven by both private enterprises and government frameworks aiming to leverage the Moon's unique environment for high-tech manufacturing and data processing. In establishing a lunar smart city as a technological hub, artificial intelligence is the brain that compensates for the extreme delay in communication with the Earth. The technological innovations required are smart mobility, communications, and survival technologies. Examples of major players, concepts, and projects aimed at establishing Lunar Smart City are SpaceX Self-Growing City, NASA's Artemis program, China's Lunar Construction Program, Unitree and MagicLab, and DARPA's Lunar 10. These ideas will culminate in the actualization of Lunar Smart City. The Artemis Base Camp is the cornerstone project for a permanent human presence. In order to make Lunar Smart City sustainable, current efforts are focused on using lunar regolith for construction. Unitree and MagicLab are testing robots that can operate the same tools as humans, reducing the need for risky extravehicular activity. The focus points are as follows: Lunar Smart City as technological hub, Lunar Smart City institutional concept, Lunar Smart City major players and projects, and smart technologies for lunar living. Lunar Smart City as technological hub. Establishing a Lunar Smart City as a technological hub represents a major shift from temporary exploration to permanent self-sustaining industrialization. Lunar fusion is being driven by both private enterprises and government frameworks aiming to leverage the Moon's unique environment for high-tech manufacturing and data processing. A lunar city with artificial gravity is shown in this picture. Pillars of the Lunar Tech Hub are orbital and off-world artificial intelligence data centers. SpaceX and SAI are planning to manufacture and launch AI data centers from the lunar surface and use Moon as a site for off-world data processing. Nostar and Limen are launching lunar data centers to support AI training and profile secure edge computing far from Earth's terrestrial constraints. A hyper-realistic capture of a civilization on the Moon is shown in this picture. Other pillars of the Lunar Tech Hub are energy and resource management, advanced communications and navigation. Lunar Exploration Rover Development Model is shown in this picture. Interplanetary Logistics Hub, a central feature of the Lunar Hub, is the Mars Driver, a giant electromagnetic catapult designed to launch satellites. Advanced manufacturing and 3D printing. The hub will rely on self-growing infrastructure. Illustration of Moon City concept is shown in this picture. Lunar Smart City institutional concepts are smart urb living. Future residents will live in smart urbs which are ambitiously large, self-monitoring structures designed to house 8 to 10 people. Artificial gravity. To combat physiological issues of low gravity, some designs such as the glass propose 1,300-foot-tall rotating buildings. Lunar habitat prototype designed for extreme conditions is shown in this picture. Example concepts are green spaces. Habitats are envisioned with their own ecosystems, featuring trees, plants and water. Lunar terrain vehicles and rovers. Personal and work-related travel will use lunar terrain vehicles. Advanced materials. Residents will wear spacesuits made from smart fabrics. Robotic rover conducting exploration on the moon is shown in this picture. Other concepts are AI medical officers with no quick trip to an ER, AI diagnostic tools, monitor astronaut fighters, and psychological health, providing real-time surgical guidance or mental health interventions. Lunar GPS, AI-powered future odometry, and leader mapping allow rovers to navigate the creative port surface autonomously. Gateway's Lunar Eye app is illustrated in this picture. Lunar Smart City major players and projects are as follows: NASA Artemis Base Camp and Lunar Gateway. NASA's smart approach focuses on a modular sustainable research outpost. Artemis program and Lunar Gateway, the first space station to orbit the moon, serve as the foundational pathway for the broader lunar economy. NASA's concept of how missions on the moon might work is shown in this picture. SpaceX self-green city. The city is efficient to expand autonomously using AI-powered robotics and 3D printing system. Concept art for a permanent lunar settlement is shown in this picture. DARPA's Lunar 10 study is coordinating 14 companies to create a unified framework for a civil lunar marketplace. Yokohama University, sponsored by JAXA and Japanese universities, is leading research on self-evolving AI robot systems to develop robots that autonomously learn and adapt to the lunar environment. Concept art of a moon base is shown in this picture. China's International Lunar Research Station, in partnership with Russia and other nations, China is developing a permanent base. And the two-phase plan involves Phase 1, 2035, builds a basic robotic outpost. Phase 2, 2045, expands into a comprehensive lunar station network. Lunar Habitat prototype designed for life support and sustainability is shown in this picture. Other major players are NASA Launch Program, AI Space Factory, and SpaceX, which is focusing on rapid iteration and 10-year timelines for the city. Artist's concept of a possible colony on the moon is shown in this picture. Smart technologies for lunar living. These include self-healing structures, regolith 3D printing, lunar grid, lunar 4G LTE, and nuclear micropowers. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to Lunar Smart City concepts, plans, projects, and developments for transforming Moon into a technological hub and self-sustaining industrialization by Dr. Anyashola Ogundele, with the focus point Lunar Smart City as technological hub, Lunar Smart City institutional concepts, Lunar Smart City major players and projects, and smart technologies for lunar living. Thank you.